Today I am in Moorea in French Polynesia, and my friends and I, we rented a house here. It's so amazing. So I'm going to take you for a little tour of the house because it's amazing. Alright, here we go. So this is the front of the house. It has a wraparound porch. Has a laundry room that's over there. It has the cutest little laundry room right here. So it has like a laundry bucket, like you could do hand washing. It also has a sink. It has this cute little washing machine. There's no dryer, but as you can see, it has like clotheslines. You can hang your clothes on and dry in the fresh air. I love it. Kind of reminds me of when I was a kid. And as you can see, I did a load of laundry, so I'm about to take that out. And then you go in the front door. It's kind of dark in here. But anyway, so it has this nice table here. Over here, it's like a bookshelf and some little things like, what do you call this, hand sanitizer, lotion, sunscreen, little welcoming stuff like that. And there is a television there, little living room. Sorry, the lighting. I should turn the lights on in here. I don't know if that's any better. But anyway, you get the idea. There's some surfboards, which I can't surf. And another little table. I'll take you outside later. This is the cute little bathroom. There. This is my room. It has twin beds, but that's all good. Sorry, my stuff is everywhere. The airline lost my luggage, so I finally got it back. And yes, that's my new luggage. It's already all dirty, but that's okay. So yeah, they lost my luggage. So anyway, I got it back this morning, so that's all good. And let's see, this is my friend's room. This is their room. So cool. And I'll show you the other side of the house. Let's see, this is the bathroom. Has a nice tub. And this is the other room. So nice. And it has a wonderful view of the ocean. Let's go outside for the good part. So it has this nice porch with this nice lounging furniture, this little chair that hangs that I've been hanging out on, this nice lounge that you can take a nap on, this nice little canoe. And my friends are snorkeling. I just didn't feel like going today, or right now at least. And then you have an outdoor kitchen. My friend, she cooks. That's like her passion, so she's just been cooking for us. And so that's why this house works so well, because we really love the outdoor kitchen. And it has a bathroom here. I know I'm not doing a very good job of filming this, but anyway, you get the point. And then you have the refrigerator here. And it's like a full kitchen. So it has a dishwasher. It has a sink. Oh, now we bought like so much wine. That's some of it, some rum. We made some rum drinks today, which were amazing. And these cute little tiny pineapples. They're like smaller than regular pineapples, but they're so good. Like so good. They have these little tiny bananas. I hate bananas, but these are so cute. They're so little. And yeah, that's a stove, and this is what it overlooks. So what a nice view to wake up to. And well, that's it. So this is my home for the next couple of days, and I love it. I don't even want to leave, as you can imagine.